Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my February Boxycharm unboxing, tutorial, review, demo, all the good stuff. You guys know I love doing these videos, so I'm not going to drag this intro for too long. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And now if you want to see what I got in my February Boxycharm, then just keep watching. First we have the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer, and this retails for $18. So this primer claims to be light, silky, blurs pores and wrinkles, and give your skin a soft velvet feel. This is a new brand to me. I've never tried anything from this brand. The primer did make my skin feel nice and soft and silky, but not overly slippery. That's my biggest problem when, I try like silky primers like this, is that I feel like when I put the foundation on top of them, it kind of separates the foundation. So far, so good. Obviously, I haven't worn this all day, so I'm gonna see how it holds up throughout the day, and I'll put a note in my description box, just to see. I'm gonna keep an eye on it and see how it wears, but so far I really like it. Next we have the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. I got it in the shade Copper Foil, and this retails for $24. This is also a new brand to me. I remember when they first came out with their contour sticks that everybody was talking about. They came in those little like tin, like the little, I don't know, containers, and they were really cute. I never really tried them. I don't usually gravitate towards products like this, stick products for contour or eyeshadow or anything like that. I do enjoy lip products in this form, but that's not something I really gravitate towards, so I don't really try a lot of stuff like that. So I can't really compare to anything that I've tried before, but I have to say it applied really nicely on my eyes. I love the pigmentation. It was very easy to apply. I have to say also that you have to kind of work quickly with it. I feel like once it settles onto you, in your skin, it's kind of hard to blend. So work quickly. But so far I like it. It's not creasing whatsoever. I didn't put anything on top. I just used this on its own and blend other shadows, around it. But so far, I really like it as well. Next, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and this retails for $24. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. Most people have tried this mascara before. I have tried this mascara before. I've had several tubes of this mascara. It's not my #1 favorite in the whole entire world, just because the wand is pretty big and I do have baby lashes, and as much as I try to be super neat and not make a mess, I always end up with mascara all over myself. But that's just me. It's just a personal thing. It's a good mascara. I enjoy a lot. I'm happy to have another one so I can play with it. I love for my bottom lashes, it made them super nice and long, and I love how it looks. Even for my top lashes, even though I apply lashes after, but it's a good mascara. I feel like I don't really have a lot to say because it's very, very popular. Either you love it or you hate it if you tried it. And if you haven't tried it, you can always buy a little sample. I know they sell them everywhere. I feel like this mascara is everywhere. Everywhere I looked, this mascara was around. When I went to like beauty events and whatnot, they always give samples. They're very, accessible like that. So I don't have a lot to say about it. It's not a bad mascara whatsoever. It's just not my #1 choice. Next, we have the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee Bronzer, and this retails for $32. I have gotten one of their blushes before in a previous Boxycharm, and it was very pigmented. I have to give this to them. These products are very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. But I don't know. I feel like when I look at the price, I'm like, $32 for a bronzer. I don't know. Is that how much bronzers cost nowadays? I don't know. Maybe I'm too cheap. But it's a nice bronzer. I really put a lot of it on today on purpose. No, I'm kidding. It wasn't on purpose. Once I applied, I was like, oh boy, how am I going to blend this out? And I, tried my best to blend it out. And worked with it. It's very pigmented, so be aware. But I like the shade. I feel like I look super, bronzed. Duh. But I like how I look. It's flattering. It's not too orange. It's not too warm. And I even contour my nose as well. I like how it looks for my nose. I really enjoyed it. Lastly, we have the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. And this retails for $20. So the scent is coconut, toasted praline, in warm vanilla latte. Okay, let me just tell you, oh my god, it smells so good. If you aren't into warm scents like this, you probably hate the smell of it, but I absolutely love it. I applied on my hands, you know, my arms, and it feels really great, and it's not sticky. It's already like completely absorbed onto my skin, so I really like this as well. I just wish they had like a squeezy tube. I know I'm not really a fan of like stuff that I have to dig my fingers in there, and you know what I mean, like bacteria. Anyway, but if they had a squeezy tube, ah man, that would be so perfect. I love the original formula right there. You see it up there, the little yellow right there. I love that one. I have a big tub of it, and it makes your skin really nice and soft. I am Brazilian, so I guess I am biased, whatever. This is, you know, it's not a Brazilian brand, to be honest with you. It was created by I believe she is Korean. I believe it was a Korean woman. Everybody thinks it's from Brazil, but it's really not. I am a fan of this brand. I love that, you know, formula right there, the original, the Bum Bum Cream. It smells amazing, and it's more like a chic kind of smell, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not very good at explaining scents. What I'm saying is, if you like warm scents, you will love this. The formula is nice, and it's not oily or sticky or nothing. It's really, really nice. I just wish it was a squeezy tube. Please, 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 Sol de Janeiro, if you're watching this, make a squeezy tube. So the value of the box this month is of $118, and you pay $21. Everything is full size, except again for the Sol de Janeiro, which is the tub. Originally it's like really big, that would never fit inside of this box. So again, that's the reason why they have the luxe samples. But I believe you can also buy this size. So essentially it is a full size product. I hope that makes sense. As you know, I have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. If you choose to sign up using my link, I will make a commission of $5. Of course, I don't like to pressure anybody into doing anything ever. But if you do end up using my link, I am very, very grateful. And even if you don't, I still recommend Boxycharm. I love everything about Boxycharm. I love that this month I got to try new brands, which it's something really exciting to me, because I am very grateful that I have access to a lot of, you know, products and brands and whatnot, but there's so much more out there that I haven't tried. So I always love when I get to try new products and new brands. All right, guys, so that's it for this Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know how you feel about everything that you got. I overall loved everything so far. I will keep you guys updated with how everything holds up throughout the day, if my eyeshadow creases, or how this primer holds, you know, my foundation together. I'll keep you guys updated in the description box if I notice any difference. But let me know how you feel about your box this month if you receive Boxycharm. And as always, if you like this video, if you found it helpful, and if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.